dumbass. What to do, YouTube? It's your boy Matt Rigid, aka Tom here, coming back to you again with another banger video. I'm pumped, I'm excited, and I'm sad because we haven't seen the Gun Devil or know what it even looks like. Yeah, and it's episode 12. It's the last episode of season 1. There's so many unanswered questions, and this show's gonna make me read the manga, which I mean, I'm not complaining. This show is gonna be just, the show is just amazing, and the manga's probably even crazier. So let's get to the video. This is still sad though, that like the Gun Devil, not the Gun Devil, the freaking Ghost Devil is choking him out. I love the Luffy type music, you know what I mean? The sweet vibes. Once you're ready to develop an addiction. Fist bump? Like you made one mistake. Is it a fist bump? It's a letter. I'm pretty sure it's a letter. No, it's the cigarette. No. Yep, you don't know, bitch, cause you think you know everything. Fuck your snake, fuck you. You're about to get fucking terrorized. Chop this bitch up, Aki. Fucking taking out Himeno. Do it for Himeno. Fuck this bitch up. She's like, how the fuck did he know how to kill it? You better end her before you even explain how all this happens. She lost. Like that. She's like, I could have used the money, so makes a lot of sense. Ew. So is he the sword devil? Is he a katana? Like, what the hell is he? What a dumbass. I mean, I guess she wants to have fun. Fucking crazy ass bitch. He doesn't even care. He straight up left. He's like, alright, am I gonna get to this yet? Are we gonna face him? He's so bored. Hello. Benji.
度次第じゃ俺たちは投降するつもりだ。お前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんを殺した。その償いをしてほしい。
てめえのお仲間もじいちゃんもゾンビなってたから殺したんだぜ。
嘘つくんじゃねえ。べきのねえバカすぐ嘘つきやがる。そいつらを殺してお前を心に痛むのか。
全然。
Sure don't.
俺も沢渡にいろいろされた。心臓が刀の悪魔お前に限っては心がもう人じゃねえんだよ。少しでも人の良心が残ってるなら俺たちにおとなしく殺されねえ。
He doesn't have a conscience though. He doesn't care. No.
やだ。
切り殺してやるよ。
やってみろよ、ブレーキ。何？俺を切り殺すんじゃねえのか。死んでよ。
Let's see if that training pays off.
Sex.
Oh, okay.
そんな大層な暮らししてんのか。
だからさっさとてめえ倒してマキマさんに褒めてもらうんだ。
お前は俺には勝てねえ。
あ？もう勝ったつもりでいんのか？俺はまだ死んでねえぞ。
さこが。
どこ行った？ただいま車内に異常が発生。緊急停車いたします。ドアが開きますので速やかに外へ避難してください。ただいま車内に異常が発生。緊急停車。おいおいおいおい。ああ、禁止にしようぜそれ。
ふざけ。
He's armless. What? How's he gonna beat him?
じいちゃんを殺したこと死ぬ前に謝罪しろ。
まだ戦えるぜ。
Oh.
頭んチェーンソーが残ってるからね。
バカが。
Got him. I don't think he landed a move on him this time. I think he lost an arm or something.
じいちゃんにも教わらなかったか。引き時ってやつをよ。じいちゃんに謝罪しろ。そうしたら楽に殺してやる。
ご丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。あんがとなバーグ。ジジイに教わらなかったか。
Yeah, Denji! I thought he just sliced an arm. No, he sliced his whole fucking life in half. Man. Split decision.
目が覚めたか。やっぱあんた俺と同じなんだな。てめえの手の刀抜いたらさ、真っ二つの体もくっついたぜ。
ぶっ殺してやら。
てめえは姫の先輩を殺した。面のいい美人がてめえのせいで世界から一人減ったんだ。なのにてめえは反省もせず一生刑務所暮らし。それじゃ俺がすっきりしない。
お前には何もできねえだろう。公安の犬うざいが。
今から大会を開く。
大会？
あ、いいとこに来たな。
こちら4課早川。時計館前線路内にて拘束済みの目標を発見。お前は何を言ってんだ。
Yeah, what are you talking about?
こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃った。だからこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって、警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
正気かお前。
Yeah. He's like, I'm just fucking sick and tired of all this.
見たぶって嘘を晴らすことじゃない。そんなことしたって姫の先輩は喜ばない。
Maybe she would. Says easy revenge.
ああ。勝ったら何くれんだ。そりゃもちろんこいつの玉金や。
Alright, so everything is back to normal. For now.
姫の先輩、天国まで聞こえるか。俺たちからあんたへのレクイエムだ。
今回のテロ事件は沢渡茜という元民間のデビルハンターが発端でした。彼
Oh.
女が銃の悪魔と契約し、銃をヤクザに流しました。その対価として沢渡はチェーンソーの悪魔の心臓を要求していたそうです。銃の悪魔との契約で自動的に自殺したのかもしれません。ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
どこに向かって動いた。
I don't know if they're gonna show any more, so I don't want to skip it. He loves them. He's like, they're like the brothers and sisters I wish I had. He's like their dad in a way. No tap taps. Yamato beer. That's what Himinato loved drinking. Meowie. I just want to see if they're going to sneak peek anything. I don't know. See? He's going to have a cigarette. He's going to have this easy revenge. Or is he going to wait to use that when he kills the gun devil? He's actually gonna smoke it. I thought he was gonna keep that till like he faces off against the gun devil and it's down. Oh, I thought it was gonna show her face or something. Oh, that's from the. This is from the first episode. Is he dreaming? Is this what it is? Or is he opening up the door of the little pea? Why? Why can't he open up the door? Why is he not allowed to? My God, they're setting so many things up. This is going to be taken to... It's going to be taken to a giant city. That's all I'm going to assume. It's going to be a giant city. Yeah, it was an interesting finale. I need more. They can't just leave us like this and then don't create another season. Like, they built up so much hype towards the end. Like, I'm gonna be destroyed if I don't get an anime of this and to continue it going. Like, we need a Chainsaw Man Season 2 ASAP, because this show has been out for a while, and I don't even know why Denji can't get into the freaking door. Why he can't open it. What does it mean by, would you rather be a country mouse or a city mouse? I don't understand. Because that was Aki's brother. He was reading that book. His brother got that book read to him before he died. Like, I don't know, y'all. Hey, if you enjoyed this series and you enjoyed me watching this, hey, don't forget to go ahead and hit the like button. You'll be part of the greatest nation ever, the Reg Nation. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this series, Chainsaw Man. And then, hey, don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss out on any more amazing content coming to the channel. And as always, folks, keep it regging.